What's going on YouTube? It's the G35 channel, and today we got a carbon fiber install. Let's go! Alright guys, so we got scissors, we got paper towels, and we got rubbing alcohol, but most importantly, we got this package from VQ Plug. He's been hooking us up with a lot of parts here lately. Go follow him on Instagram. We have more parts coming very soon from him, but today it's carbon fiber. Let's go! Oh, I'm just kidding, that's completely cringe, but look at the quality on these things. You can see the foam through them, guys. So let me head off to AutoZone real quick. Let me get some adhesive tape just to secure them to be sure, and let's get these things installed. All right, boys, we got the bag. Woo! Look at that, guys. That looks mega good. You got the reflection and everything. Now, the only thing I will tell y'all guys is I ended up putting them tape across the bottom here. Do not do that. Only put it on this side here and that side over there, because when you push it, it rolls off and it ends up not even working. So I got tape here and I have tape here. Look at that. Let's compare it to the other side. Oh, I mean, it's stock, it's paint, it's cool, but it's not carbon fiber. So I'm gonna put the other one on. All right, guys, I'm so hyped. I got the first pieces of carbon on my car. Gloss black grille next. Spec D headlights after that. Guys, I'm sorry for the cars passing in the background. I had to go to a new filming location. Look at this carbon fiber just glistening in the sun, guys. This is just the beginning for carbon fiber on my car. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. I have more carbon coming, and always stay positive.